Hello students, welcome to our channel Agronomy. I am Alok and I am dealing with the subject agronomy. So we are going to start our agronomy JRF course from November, and the registration has been started. So if you want to join our JRF agronomy, then you can register with us. In this class we are going to discuss about the most important thing which will be very helpful in your exam, that is irrigation agronomy book versus ICAR NTA JRF agronomy 2023 paper. Means in this class we are going to discuss about what are the questions or how many questions came from this irrigation agronomy book, and you will wonder that almost all questions came from this book. I'm repeating, almost all question came from this book. So the question is why you should read irrigation agronomy and why you should give more importance to this book. And this book has been written by SR Reddy and GK Reddy. So they have compiled very well to this book that this book has so much importance for your exam. So we are going to discuss about the agronomy paper, what is the question came from that paper, and from which portion of this book has come that question. Understood? So one question came like in match of the following, like dam and reservoir and where it is located, like state. So Tawa, Lower Bhavani, Balimela, Matatilla and Moiraxi. So these are the dam or reservoir where it locates, the question is asked, and it came in question number 2 of one paper. So this portion has come from page number 29, chapter 2 of irrigation agronomy. You can see the dam and reservoir has been written here and the location. You can see here I have marked some of these things, and you see in Tawa, see Tawa is located in MP, okay, and our see Balimala in Odisha. Okay, so yes, सारा का सारा if you will find all these things in this table. One table, one question came, 4 mark. So that is most important. So you have to remember this table from 29 page. Next question came like assessment reasoning type. Okay, you'll wonder they have copied from same from the book. I will show you. Assertion came that addition of organic matter to a mineral soil leads to improvement in water holding capacity of the soil. Reason came that under tropical condition, water holding properties and available water range of a mineral soil due to addition of organic matter may not change materially. Okay, so I don't know the answer. I will show you. See, in page number 69, under factors affecting available soil moisture, you can see here written, since organic matter has greater water holding capacity than mineral soil, it is believed that addition of organic matter to mineral soil result in increasing water holding capacity. So assertion is correct. Understood? Increase in the water holding properties and available water range, exactly the same line range, have been attributed to the increase in fine particles than to the organic matter, which may not change materially due to its fast rate of decomposition under tropical condition. You can see very means copy paste, same assertion and reason, same line. So that is the most important, means that is the importance of this book. Understood? Next question came like a sugarcane crop of 2 hectare area was irrigated 5 times with 6 cm water in each irrigation. Work out the total quantity of water applied in the cubic meter. So this question came indirectly from one person. You can see this portion. The question is total. If a crop of 100 days is irrigated 10 days interval with 8 cm depth of water at each irrigation, the delta of the crop is. So it is they are telling about to calculate the total amount. So you just calculate the total depth and you multiply with the area. So you will get the total quantity of water. So this question is indirectly it has been asked. Next came type of soil water available for normal crop growth. So this is very easy, and I can see that kinds of soil water. This question came from kinds of soil water of the irrigation agronomy book. Next question came when delta is in cm, B is in days and D is in hectocubic. So what will be the answer? So they have asked in centimeter. You can see. So this question came from delta due and base period part of irrigation equipment page present in page number 43. You can see they have clearly mentioned in meter 8.64 B by D and 864 B by D in centimeter. Very clear, no doubt. Okay. Next question. According to USDA estimates, statement question came. According to USDA estimate, the total amount of water on earth is about 1400 billion cubic kilometer. This amount of water is enough to cover the earth with a layer of 300 meters. So I can see both the statements are false. Why? I will show you now. You can see all water resources, page number 17 of Irrigation Agronomy. See, according to UN, not USDA, according to UN estimates, the total amount of water on earth is about 1400 million cubic kilometer, which is enough to cover the earth with a layer of 3000 meter, not 300 meter. So both the statements are false. So if you read this book, then you will never do the mistake. Understood? Next is statement question again. The sum of metric and osmotic potential is called hydraulic head, which is useful index for characterize the energy status of soil water with respect to plant water uptake. Hydraulic potential is useful in evaluating the direction and intensity of water moving forces in the soil profile. So this question came indirectly from a person from soil water potential. You can see this paragraph. You have to read this paragraph of 94 page. You can see here written total suction. This line. Total suction is a sum of osmotic suction and metric suction. Except for algebraic sign, three component suction are identical to the same component water potential. So if you read this chapter, you will get the answer of this question. Understood? Next question came in a double ring infiltrometer. The double ring avoids the requirement of deep insertion into the soil. Correct. The outer ring provides a buffer of infiltrating water which leads to force of infiltration below the inner ring to remain completely vertical and unidirectional. So this part came from this para of infiltration from the part of infiltration is present in page 103. So if you read this paragraph, you will get the answer of that question. Next came porosity question came. So this question came from the porosity part of the present in 56. This is chapter is 3 or 4 chapter, 3 chapter. Okay, third chapter. Sorry, fourth chapter. This one soil and water relationship chapter. This question is come from porosity. Next is one statement type question came from the irrigation management in chickpea. Like flowering and pod filling are the most critical stages of irrigation. Water requirement of 400 to 600 mm. Irrigation chickpea with saline water that has salinity of 10 millimoles can reduce yield by about 55%. I will show you this line in a correct way. Okay, you just remember they have written 10 and 55. So chickpea is usually irrigated following check basin method. Under condition of low evaporative demand, as in North India, irrigation can cause lodging in chickpea. So you see this portion now. Okay, so in North India they have written, you see North India, what is the thing they have written here. Also they have given the statements. You see here, you see that part. Yeah, fourth number point. You see chickpea is very sensitive to soil salinity. Irrigation water with saline water that has 10 millimoles can yield reduced by 60%, not 55%. That is 60%. That statement is wrong. So if you have read the irrigation management of all crops, so this is irrigation agronomy, GK Reddy and Reddy Reddy. Okay, from that book only. So if you read chickpea part, then you could have able to answer that part. Next question, according to Kong, 1971. See, they have mentioned for whom water requirement to raise nursery for 1 hectare irrigated area rice crop is, answer is 40 mm. Okay, so this part came from this portion. Okay, 332 number page, cereals and millets, rice. You can see table, water requirement to irrigated lowland rice, Kong 1971, nursery 40 mm. Very clear, no doubt, no confusion, very clear. One book, all questions. And this part, gypsum block, flume, infrared, aerometer, TDR. This question came from the portion of like soil moisture measurements, instruments used for soil moisture measurements. And last question of irrigation water management in question 2023 JRF. So they have given this question like I double by CP ratio. Exactly that question came from this portion. See, 0.5 I double by CPO, and you will get the answer of 10 cm. Very clear, no confusion. Okay, so my suggestion is to please go through the book Irrigation Agronomy book written by SR Reddy and GK Reddy. So these are the 15 questions. So out of 17 question of irrigation, directly 15 question came from one book only. So that is the most important thing to focus on. So read one book and you will be able to attend all the questions of irrigation. I guarantee. So let's break the code of NTA and prepare well for the exam. So if you are interested to join our course now, then please register with us, because the registration will be started and we will be going to start our course from November. So be ready and we stay tuned that we are going to start. Understood? So before that, you please collect the book, and or if you don't have the book, then please make a copy from the library, or you can purchase directly the new book. Understood, guys? So see you in the next class with some new excellent topic. Thank you, guys. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.